Welcome back to a brand new episode of Separate and Cypress channel. Whoops, there goes the Therizinosaurus. Today we'll be discussing about the Dino Tracker ORKORAPTor, and we'll be comparing it to the Dino Escape Scorpius Rex and the Dominion Therizinosaurus. So here's the ORKORAPTor. Check it out. I'm gonna box it. Alright guys, so here we go. It's a cool sound. Well, compared to the Scorpius Rex. So I would say this is a medium theropod. It's compared to the Therizinosaurus. Compared to their claws. Therizinosaurus will definitely win. Longer claws, bigger claws. Definitely taller. Let's see. There you go. So yeah, I made some shorts earlier. It has like some of the new unboxed Dino Trackers there. And a couple of hybrids that I made. We'll do that the next video. But maybe on Thursday, I would do a Hammond Collection Corythosaurus. Yeah, we'll check that out. There's the Scanny DNA. This is a unique color right here, like an olive green color. There we go. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you again for all the likes and subscribes. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks again, guys.